Hey, if you want to download Steam on your Windows 11 PC, all you have to do is just open your browser and open, for example, the Google search engine. And on the search pool, just input Steam download phrase. When you do this, you will actually get some searches. And I can actually recommend you to find the Steam website, the first one that will actually pop on the searches. And you will get this button to install Steam. So click on it. Now from here in the right upper corner, we can actually find the Steam setup. That's actually the installation file that we have to click to open it when it will be pops from the downloads. Now you have the screen on the user account controller and click yes. So now all you have to do is just to follow this on-screen instructions, and we'll have to actually get the language. So in my case, I'm gonna get the English, click next. From here, we can pick the destination folder. If you want to change it for any other, just click the browse and install your Steam on any other disk or any other different folder. Then click install. And now in my case, I already have Steam on my account on my PC. So that's why you actually see that Steam is working. And that's basically it. Right now, you just have to follow on-screen instructions. And right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.